What's going on, guys? My name is vmsulthan, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how exactly you can make your Android to run faster and eventually gets better battery life out of it. So we require the help of two apps from the Play Store which are free of cost, and I will leave the link to it in the description below. I highly recommend you to try it because I have been using this combination of apps for more than about 2 years now, and these are my first two apps that I install as soon as I get a new device. So try yourself, and I'm sure your device will get a buttery smooth and lagless interface after doing this. I know it's a long video, but stick till the end to see how, and it's worth the time. Now let's stop talking and get into the business. So the first app that we're gonna be looking at is called Deep Sleep. Basically what this app does is that it will automatically detect and turn off the connectivity of the device when it is not in use. Which means nothing, but it will turn off the Wi-Fi or mobile data while we are not using it and when the device is locked. In this way we are able to defend more juice which is going to be lost without any reason. So to make it happen, just open the app and then swipe to the right and press on that optimize button. Only one time is needed. Oh, by the way, if you don't want that yellow battery bar over there, then just go to the settings and untick show persistence notification. Now select a profile from here as your desire. You can see there are 5 different types of profile, and my favorite one from here is the slumber. So the slumber profile will be in deep sleep mode always as soon as the screen is locked and the Wi-Fi or any other connectivity gets turned off, and it gets turned on automatically when we unlock the device. So in the case of all other profiles, it does the same as soon as the screen is off, but connectivity gets turned on automatically at a particular period of time and collects every messages that is pending to receive because of connectivity and then goes back to sleep. So as I said, each of those profile does the same but with different time interval. So that's all about the deep sleep. Now let's get to the second app, which is Greenify. So Greenify takes a major role in the RAM management of the device. That is, Greenify helps to force close the application that we are not using anymore for a period of time, which prevents the app not to work in the background without our notice. So first of all, let's pause the setting up, and I will talk about it more after that. So while opening the app, it will take you through some preferences. So just provide it as your device has. Although my device is rooted, I'm selecting non-rooted mode to show you the difference of rooted and non-rooted working mode. And by the way, root is not necessary for these two apps, but if your device has root access, then the performance of the app will be more. Anyway, now give permission to all of these tasks from the device settings. No need to worry, it's all just the basic permissions, and then press not now and not next. Next, finish. So here is where we have to pay attention. Pressing on that green plus button will take you to a page where you get listed all the apps and games that you have installed on your device. So as you see, these are the apps that works in background which drains your battery a lot. Now go all the way down and press on that show more apps. After that, just highlight all the apps which you do not want to work in background. Also keep in mind that once the app is first closed, you will not get any messages from the same app until we open it again. So make sure to ignore those type of messaging apps so you don't miss any important messages. So you should consider ignoring the app like social apps, widgets, launchers, YouTube Creator Studio, Deep Sleep, and also ignore your daily using keyboard app. So after you have completely selected the app, press on that green icon. Now it's just a matter of pressing that Z button and it will automatically closes every app that is working in the background just like this. So this is how it works for the non-rooted devices, and I will show you the working mode for the rooted devices. But before that, you can see that the parallel space still does not get closed automatically. So what you want to do is that just give a tap on it and press Z button again. Now it will pop up a message. Now press continue by checking that always ignore running state. So it will remember your first action and will get hibernated. So that's how it works. Now you can add a shortcut into your desktop. So you can easily press on it each and every time when we turn off the device. Or if you want, you can also set to auto hibernation from the settings, where it does automatically as soon as the screen goes off. So let me show you the different working mode for router devices. So let's change the working mode from the settings. And after that, let's open a game to give you a demo. So I just opened Circuroid, which is an awesome game which I reviewed it already, and check it if you have not watched it yet. Anyway, now in rooted mode, when we press on that shortcut to force close the app, just see this. It does in the background without taking us to the info of each app. So this is how it works in non-rooted mode, and this is how in rooted mode. I think you can feel the difference. Now let me know it in below if you want any routing tutorial video. And also it's time to give a try by yourself on these best combinations according to me, and tell me how your device feel after this process. So if you watch till here, I really appreciate you. And also leave hashtag JuiceDefenders in the comments below. So that's been it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to smash that like and share buttons. If you have any queries, feedback or any suggestions, just leave it on the comments below. And follow me on all social media at vmsulthan. Also don't forget to subscribe. It's me VM and I will catch you guys later.